Want to remove the background from your video in CapCut without using a green screen? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove the background in CapCut on your PC using the built-in background removal feature in just a few simple steps. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow CapCut tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open CapCut on your computer. Once it launches, click on New Project, or open an existing project if you already have one. Next, import the video you want to edit and drag it down onto the timeline. Now click on your video clip to select it. Then, go to the editing panel on the right side of the screen and find the Remove Background option. Click on Remove Background, then enable the Auto Removal feature. CapCut will automatically analyze your video, detect the main subject, and remove the background. This process may take a few moments depending on the length and quality of your video. Once the background has been removed, you can replace it with a new one. Simply import an image or another video you want to use as your background, then drag it onto a track below your main video in the timeline. The new background will appear behind your subject automatically. You can also adjust the position, size, and settings of your subject to make the result look more realistic. That's it. That's how you can remove the background from a video in CapCut on your PC without using a green screen.